Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to add Subscript in Excel. Ready to jump in? Hi there. You're watching Tech Leveler, and I'm Joanne. Here at Tech Leveler, we make Excel easy with straightforward, step-by-step tutorials. Let's get started with Subscripts. To turn part of your text into Subscript, start by typing the full text into your cell. Then, double-click to enter edit mode and highlight the part you'd like to display as Subscript. Next, go to the Home tab, find the Font section, and click this small arrow in the corner to open the font settings. In the Font dialog, check the Subscript box and click OK. Now you've got your text in Subscript. Here's another easy method. Highlight the text again, right-click and choose Format Cells. In the pop-up, check the Subscript box, click OK, and that's it. Your Subscript is set. These are 2 quick ways to apply Subscript formatting in Excel. If you'd like to learn more tricks, check out our video on adding symbols in Excel, linked in the description below. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a like and be sure to check out more quick tips from Tech Leveler. If you're new here, subscribe to join our Tech Leveler community. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.